Roll out your seamless or backdrop to create your tabletop set. Set up your ring lights to light your products, and attach your phone to your tripod for steadier pictures. Next, design your set. In this case, we are using natural moss to create an enchanting landscape that speaks to the Woodland brand. Think of what makes sense for your brand. Open your Instagram app, select the camera, and look through the mobile frame to fine-tune your composition. Make sure your ring lights are highlighting your product. Take your shot. Play with the Instagram filters to choose one that enhances the overall image. Now tap on the sticker tool and select GIFs to add to your image. We are adding butterflies and ladybugs to play up the Woodland theme. Finally, we are using the text tool to add our copy line. Pick a font that works with your creative idea. Now we can save the video onto our camera roll so we can upload it onto our Instagram.